Never lived life if you do not have an untraceable phone. Now, this is a feature phone. Untraceable in the sense that it doesn't access internet. If someone was to track you, they would have to use the all cell tower triangulation method. Anyway, that's not the story of today. Today we want to fix the mic. So let me show you how to do that. Let's get in. Remove that screw, and that screw, and you will be in. We replace that mic. Let's get our replacement mic. Here it is, but we need one. We pick one and now we get ready to solder. So we apply solder to the tip right there and then get it ready to solder on the phone. We remove the old one, solder the new one, close, get ready to test. Fold it into position, bring the front cover and record. Power on, ready to record. Multimedia and then sound recorder. Now we play the recording.